so cool. I went to grandma's yesterday, worked in her garden the whole day. She let me bring some veggies here to school. I got a carrot, I got a yam, I got a green bean fresh up from the can. Got a potato and you can probably see. I also got a pea. I got a pea. I got a pea. I said you don't laughing at me. So if you find a little pea on the floor after I leave, I think you'd probably be friends with me. I got a pumpkin, I got a squash, I got some lettuce, I still need to wash. I got an onion and some broccoli.